Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here at MTM.University. I am Professor Anyeg. They call me the Golden Goose when it comes to trading, and also Mr. Make it from your job, take it from your job, put it in the market, grow it, grow it, grow it, grow it 2 times over, 3 times over, 4 times over. What up with it, little Brody? What up with it? What up with it? To the chat. Peace, peace, peace to the chat. Y'all know what we talk about in here. We talk about getting to that money in here and a whole bunch of other things. Because life sometimes is greater than the money. Sometimes it's about much more than just the money. But we're going to talk about it. Happy, I don't know how y'all celebrate it, how y'all look at it. Happy Thanksgiving week. Happy, for some, Friendsgiving week. For others, happy Thankstakings day week. Whatever you want to call it. A lot of people are off already. So yeah, man. Enjoy this time, soak up this knowledge. Let's be better next week than we were last week by picking up and gaining some knowledge, man. Look, over here at MTM.U, we do not blow accounts. We move with our money like the banks do. We move with our money like the billionaires do, through proper risk management and other strategies, which we're going to talk about today, y'all. You guys see the topic. We're going to get into a little strategy today. We're going to change things up, man. Shouts out to my exclusive MTM trading chat. You guys have been killing it. I see the big clears, the big withdrawals. Yes, happy Monday, Jay. What up, Queen? How you feeling? How you doing, beautiful? How you doing? I can't wait till you join us. You gonna join us one day. I know you gonna join us one day. I was just waiting for that day. It's coming though. Yeah, so look, man, first off, we giving thanks and praise to the Most High. He gave us another day above ground, guys. So we gotta give thanks for that. If yesterday wasn't the best day, forget about it. Let it go. Learn from it. Today is a new day. If last week was shitty, it's a new week. This week is going to be better. Remember, I always tell you guys about perspective and speaking those positive affirmations in the self. Look, as positive as I am, and I go through it too. Sometimes I have some rough weeks or a rough day. Yesterday was a little bit rough mentally. And I was just like, hold on. Let me find ways to get it all together, to pull back. Let me take a nap or two. Let me focus on a couple of positive things. Let me focus on productivity, because that's what I'm supposed to be doing anyway. And anytime I'm productive towards my goal, towards my life's passion, it makes me feel better, and it doesn't keep me focused in that place of blah and just, oh God, life is This is why focus is so important, and centralizing and pulling all that energy into a focus is so important. So look, I'm gonna jump right in. Today's live is not gonna be long. We're dealing with trading strategy, technical analysis, because a lot of you guys ask me from time to time, look, what's a dope day one strategy that I could use as a beginner trader? What can I use? What can I use now? You want to know what can I use now? Well, I got that for you, but I still say that I would rather you guys just practice this strategy on a demo account. DM me for a pocket option demo account link. I got you guys. Don't load any real money. It's not time yet, but I will be honest. I have made some pretty good money off of this strategy. This was more so in my earlier years of trading. I use a much more advanced strategy now, which will be complicated for you guys. So let's just keep it simple. So today we're going to deal with what we call consolidation, and I'm going to just try to break it down as easy as I can for you guys. We get more in depth in our exclusive community and through the lessons here at MTM.U, but I'm going to just break it down simple because you guys don't know. They say to teach, you should always teach it like you're teaching it to a 5th grader. So we're going to keep it simple, guys. So when we talk about the market, the trading broker, the broker that we see, the website we go on to make our money, you guys see from time to time all these little squiggly lines. Typically, those lines are going up. Sometimes those lines are going down. But sometimes there's a confusion where the lines are moving side to side, and it's trying to figure out, should I go up or should I go down? And that's what we call consolidation right there. This squiggly back and forth movement or whatnot. So we as traders, as price action traders, market analysis traders, binary options traders, we're looking for certain sweet spots in the market to say, you know what? Probability is telling me that price is more than likely going to bounce off, reject off of this area right here, and it's going to move into that area. It's going to get some strong movement into that area. And if probability serves me right, and I jump in at that point, I can make some pretty damn good money. I could take advantage of that opportunity. So stay with me. Don't let me lose you. Consolidation, sideways movement. And you know, it's one thing to talk about it, but I'm gonna show you guys. I know a lot of you guys are like I was in school, and you guys are visual learners, so you love to see it. I'm about to pull it up right now so you guys can see exactly what consolidation looks like. And consolidation in so many terms, like, all right, think about, for my old school people, think about Pong back in the day. Remember Pong? You know what I'm saying? Like the ball is just hitting back and forth, or even like air hockey or something like that, where the ball is just hitting back and forth in between these confined spaces. It's just hitting back and forth. Well, if you turn that sideways, that's what consolidation is. That's what I want you guys to think about consolidation. And I want you guys to think about jumping in on the consolidation when it hits those levels. But I'm going to keep this basic, but I'm also going to give you a little bit of advanced sauce with it too. In the consolidation, I'm going to show you guys, we have our safe zones and we have our more risky zones according to what we see in the market. And the more and more you start looking for consolidation, identifying it, and learning all of the intricacies of it, it'll start to come together what I'm going to show you today. And you can always come back to this video and reference it. You can always DM me with any questions you guys have about today's strategy video. And, you know, just another little piece before we jump into the piece. And once you guys join us here at MTM.U, a lot of our lessons are just short. They're short, just like this, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Look, I ain't trying to take nobody all the way back to school and bore them out. A lot of people are like, y'all happy that y'all done with college. Y'all happy that y'all done with high school, and you don't want to go back. And I know you got life, and life is life. So I like to keep these lessons in the university. You know, when we teach technical analysis, risk management, or mindset, very short and to the point. Let's jump into the video, guys. You're going to see the consolidation, and you're going to see how I mark it up. I don't think I take a trade in here, but you're going to definitely get to see what consolidation looks like. Look at those lines. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It was moving upward. It was moving upward, and then price started confused, and it started going up and down, but it didn't continue that upward movement. It didn't continue. It didn't start with downward movement. So when it gets to this point, we like to trap price. This is where we trap price because it's in a trap zone. So it's in that state of Pong. It's moving like Pong, guys. So you want to be able to take advantage of it until it breaks out of that zone, because eventually it's going to have a breakout. It's going to come into a breakout. So we want to mark up those zones. We want to mark up those touches. When we see multiple touches, that's giving me greater confirmation. And hold up, these are strong levels of resistance. It's giving me further confirmation. Look, so I'm lining up what you see are my safe zones and my risky zone. My safe zone is the thicker green line at the bottom. My more riskier zone is that thinner green line above that. And you may, if I'm not mistaken, see me mark that up the same way at the top. There we go, with a thicker zone and a thinner zone. The thicker, pause, is the safer zone. The thinner is the riskier zone, because, hey, it, you know, more than likely it might pass this risky zone. But we do know that that safe zone gives us a higher probability, because you know, price has been telling us it ain't going past this point right here, but we don't know anything for certain in the market, except for she's going to do what she's going to do. So I never want you to feel like it has to do this, it's supposed to do. We never want to think like that. We are probability thinkers. And look how price is moving. Look, I want you guys to look at how price is moving. Practice this in your demo account. Get used to marking up your levels of support and resistance, as we call it. Get used to marking up. For now, you can just mark up your safe zone. So you would just mark up just your thicker lines. You know, but eventually I want you to get to marking up those riskier levels of support as well too. That's going to help you to see the market better, and it's going to help you to make your money. And you see how price is moving through this. But like I say, eventually it is going to break out of this, and it's going to move to the upside past that red thick line. It's going to move with some bullish momentum up to the upside. Or it may say, you know what? I don't want to move that way. I want to move downward with some bearish momentum and up on out of here. And that's what we call a breakout. And we have strategies in which we teach our traders to even be able to make money off of that. But this is the simplest thing. It's that simple, guys. I'm not going to confuse it at all. It's just palm turn sideways. That's all it is. And you're just catching it at those points. You're just catching it. You're just catching price at those points. You're catching price at those points. I could go deeper, but this is what I do in the exclusive chat. I want to keep it simple here. If you guys got any questions about this simple day one beginner strategy, DM me. Let's talk about it. It's best to even hit me on the Marco Polo app. That's the app that we utilize here at MTM.U. The link is in my bio wherever you're watching this. And you can ask me any questions that you have. Start up your demo account and start utilizing this in your demo account. You know, hit me up. I'll send you the demo account link. And like I said, just let me know, you know, how your demo trading is going, but don't load any real money yet to that account. It's not time for that just yet. I'll send you the link. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you, and we'll go from there. With that said, guys, that wraps up today's live. Peace and love. You know, haven't nobody told you today anytime soon, I believe in you and I love you. Peace, y'all.